I'll be scoring you like the examiners do for a road test. They call it a mock road test, but it really is a real road test. It just doesn't count. It's the same thing.
Like same rules.
Yeah, you get a good idea of what to expect for your real road test. 8 down, 2 more to go.
Oh, 8, really? Okay.
Yeah, you've already done 8.
Can't wait to try.
I know, it's coming along, eh? It's exciting. I bet you it's even more exciting for your mom and your dad.
Oh, yeah.
So they don't have to drive you around so much. Anxiety level after the road test is going to go down.
Okay, good.
And then the anxiety level for your parents is going to go up.
Yeah.
Before your road test, if you just kind of, to get rid of the nerves, the jitters sort of thing, just do some like breathing exercises. We're going to stay to the left here. And we'll take Big Nickel Road, left turn at the lights up here.
Oh,
Yep. You were scared of that car. He had a red light there. You should have turned into the left lane.
Oh, no. Should I get...
Yeah, we'll get into the left lane because this lane ends anyway, see? In 150 meters. It comes to an end. Yeah, that vehicle that you were kind of like, whoops, you thought he was coming through, right? It's because he was on a highway going probably 90 to 100. So he was coming in for a real hard braking landing sort of thing at the intersection at a fast speed. And but it looked to me like he was slowing down. And so that's evidence to me. That's evidence that he was going to stop. Otherwise, he would have gone right through there. So what are you doing for the rest of the day?
I'm gonna go home and go on my jet ski.
On your what?
On my dad's jet ski.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Go swimming and stuff.
Yeah, nice. Perfect day for that.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. You got any plans or more driving?
I'm working late tonight, man. I'm going right up to 9 o'clock.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You do late driving?
No, I don't usually do that, but this poor guy here, he would have had to wait till like September to finish his last 2 hours.
Oh, yeah.
Because I don't have any other time. So I said, okay, well, I'll take you out on Saturday night then from 7 to 9.
Oh,
We'll finish your lessons. Get into the
Oh, that's great.
signal right. There we go.
Oh, is there supposed to be like a line?
There is, yeah, it's faded. You can't see it. You can cancel your signal now, though. Yeah, and he's like really, he's excited to get his license too. He's been really working hard at it, doing a good job, and never late, never missed anything. And good overall, good kid. Has a job, works hard, and he's hoping that he can drive to school. Like he lives like way out in the bush. He's hoping he can, drive himself to school starting in September.
Yeah.
So.
Me too. That's what I want.
Yeah.
But I don't know. My mom said I'd get my G2 in August.
In August?
But I don't know. Exactly.
Well, when was it issued to you? When did you get your G1? What month?
In November.
December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. You're eligible this month, so yeah.
Oh, really?
So yeah, you just got to finish your 10 hours with me, and then you can go for your road test. You might have to wait, like, depending on what the drive test center's availability is.
Okay.
You might have to wait, like, maybe a month or so, but pretty sure you'd be able to go in August. because if you check their website every day, they always get cancellations, so you can choose like something sooner to just take whatever first available appointment they have, and then check every day. Yeah, you'll probably be driving to school in September.
Hopefully, I don't want to take a bus.
Yeah. How long would it take?
Oh my god, it took almost 2 hours.
Oh man, 2 hours?
Yeah, because I'm always the first one on the bus and then the last one.
The last one off. Oh man, so you
Yeah.
got to do the milk run.
Yeah. It sucks.
What lake do you live on?
Big Charles.
McCharles?
Yeah.
McCharles Lake.
Big Charles Lake Road.
Trying to think of where that is.
It's like past Simon. It's the lake,
Oh.
the next lake after Simon.
Oh yeah, okay. There's two moose that crossed the road here at the just before the lights. They came out of the swamp over here, crossed the road, get into the other side. There's like a bunch of cars. We all stopped and let them go by. And then one guy he turned his car to point at the moose so he could like take videos of it.
Oh, wow. That's so cool. Moose are really cool.
Oh, it's amazing, man. They're so big.
Oh my god, they're huge. What do they even eat?
I don't know. Fish?
I have no idea.
I don't know what they eat.
That's pretty
My brother doesn't think they exist because he's never seen one before.
Really? Oh my god,
It's like the mythical creature of the forest.
Imagine a pet moose.
Yeah.
That'd be cool. It'd be like
Take
a
up
horse.
a lot of room, a lot of space. Pet moose. Swim around in your swimming pool. You do any fishing there in McCharles?
I haven't in a while, but I used to go fishing a lot.
Yeah.
Not so much.
You get some big fish in there?
Yeah, my dad caught like a huge fish. I forget what it was called. I think it was a walleye,
Walleye.
but it was a huge one.
Yeah. We're lucky out here, eh? For all the freshwater lakes we have. And like over 330 lakes in and around Sudbury.
Oh, really?
That's insane.
Yeah, that's a lot of water.
That's why Sudbury is also known as the City of Lakes.
Oh, I didn't even know that.
Yeah. It's also known as Rock City.
Yeah, I mean, I knew that, yeah.
The Rock. Or Nickel City. What school do you go to again? Llewellyn? I think this kid I was talking to you about there, he's going from 7 to 9 tonight. I think he goes to Llewellyn too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think so. His name's...
I have no idea.
No?
I'm so bad with names.
Oh, yeah, me too, actually. Usually, yeah.
So bad.
I'm better at, like, faces.
Me too. Faces. I can't. I always forget.
I know, I'm bad for that too.
It's so bad because I try so hard to remember.
Yeah. It's not easy.
I can follow you. Okay, so that arrow.
Here, let's go straight. Yeah, that arrow. That's what it starts off with, is an arrow when you're sitting. And we'll make a right turn. Sounds good. Here, actually, let's park it right here.